Hello traders, I'm very happy to announce that we have a new ebook posted on the website. So when you come to the banner to the website fibinstitute.com and you see on the banner the title of the ebook, all you have to do is click and you will receive the ebook, How Alpha Fibonacci Precision Can Improve Your Trading. In the ebook, I dive deep what Alpha Fibonacci Proprietary System is all about, and you can see how clearly proprietary, precise, rule-based, indicator-free Fibonacci method can be traded across all instruments, all timeframes, all platforms. You will witness system's ultimate precision and simplicity and power to identify trend inceptions and trend reversals in advance. You will also see multiple examples how system is available as a software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8 platform. And you will always remember, when you come to the website, every single thing you will see in the ebook is traded globally by students from complete beginner to hedge fund manager. So when you witness what students share in their emails, what you witness, what students share from all over the world, those are the traders who struggled for many years, but not anymore. This is very, very powerful reminder that if you've been struggling for years, probably not because it's the fault of your own. It's probably because you've been using their own system like Tom have done in New Zealand for 17 years before, like Brett have done for 20 years prior. But these traders who come to Fibonacci Trading Institute and making a serious effort, trade all instruments, all timeframes, all platforms, as you can witness on our students' performance page, as you can listen on our students' podcast page. You can always view system on our YouTube channel, when you will find all of this under our banners. So please review and enjoy the ebook. And I hope you're joining our global community where traders in US and globally trading proprietary system on all instruments, all timeframes, all platforms. Currently offering Black Friday special, one space left, savings $12,000 with private mentoring. I've never ever offered this before, offering trading bootcamp, video library, and additional 3 months. Every single option includes this: group course, video library, modules, private mentoring. I work with you one-on-one. I hold your hand. I show you and guide you through what's appropriate for you to trade versus not. So please understand, this Black Friday special will never be offered again. So if you're joining our global community, all you have to do, make an effort. All the details in ebook and on website. Any questions for me? Simply click in upper left corner, contact us section, info@fibinstitute.com, or +1 925 257 4298. If you're finding this video on YouTube, you will find all the links in description. Thank you traders so much. I live and breathe what I do. I look forward working with you.